Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1964 El Camino. It's got a 283 up under the hood. Looks like we got power steering. I just did a walk around on this yesterday, pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside. That way you know exactly what this car consists of before you drive down here. Today, this video is going to be a test drive. We'll be taking it down the road, seeing how she runs and drives. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Also, you can see all of our inventory. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. You can also hit the notification bell and it'll alert you at any time we get a new car in and I post it. Ooh, a little squeaky on the hood there. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a test drive. Before we take off, we're gonna look around the interior. Go ahead and check this thing out. It's nice and clean in here. Go ahead and start it up. Get my foot away from the gas. Maybe give it some gas. There it goes. Choke's engaged. Water temperature has not came up under the dash yet. Oil pressure's up. I don't think the radio works. Go ahead and place your bets on the horn. Do you think the horn works on this one? Gas gauge is at a quarter tank. Wipers, let's see, this one. No wipers on this one. I need a switch, I believe. It's not really doing anything. All right, no horn. All right, let's take off down the road. All right, before we take off, I was looking for my seat belt. This one doesn't have seat belts in it, so you're gonna need to add those. I'm gonna open the vent window up and take off here. Looks like our linkage is out just a little bit. Actually, it's just this. There we go. This little plate's not bolted down, so you can't tell exactly where drive is because it's on the plate. That's where it needs to be right there. So the linkage is fine, it's just this plate. Speak too soon sometimes. I'm gonna be pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find on this. That way you know exactly what you're coming to buy. That's what I'm here for, guys. The right turn signal light's not popping up on the dash, the left one is. Let most of this traffic pass. I can hear it clicking though, the right one, even though the bulb's not on. Speedometer's coming up. Seems to be reading correctly. Our temp gauge is up. Looks like it's at 170 now. Doesn't look like our kick down's hooked up. Still pulling nice and strong though. The brakes feel good. Steering's nice and tight. And it's going straight down the road. We're not pulling to the left or right. Like I said, I hear the turn signal, but the bulb's out up here. Suspension's nice and smooth. Got good cushion to it. Alright, it's that time for some outside shots. I'm going to drive by the camera. You can see all my equipment below in the description, so check that out if you're interested in buying any of it. There's stuff on Amazon. It's basically what I was giving you is the links that I bought from. So. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's get some outside shots. Engine temp sitting right at 180. Oil pressure's at 30. Got y'all back on the virtual head cam here. We're gonna be taking off down the road. Engine temp is sitting right under 200. Oil pressure's right at 30 down there. All right. Shifter is a little bit funky, but goes into gear every single time. Car's nice and smooth, and everything about it runs and drives good. So we're about to turn right on this road up here. It's got a moderate speed bump in it. Kind of listen for rattles and shakes in the car. Gives you an idea on suspension, well, as well as I can through a camera at least. About halfway up this road here. Right past this white truck right here. Nice and smooth, not really any rattles in this one. Some are more or less than others though. I've had some throw me up into the ceiling. I'm sure y'all have seen it if you watched a bunch of my test drives. All right, here we go. We're gonna be pulling back over here into the lot. I got some more cars I want to get to today. Hopefully I can get a bunch of them on here. I did all the walk-arounds yesterday while it was raining. Kind of mixed things up on the channel. So today's a whole bunch of test drives coming your way, as many as I can make. I appreciate y'all riding with me, and thanks again, guys. See what I mean by that shifter? A lot going on there. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me today. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. We do have financing information and shipping information on that website. Close to 100 detailed pictures of this car, because we want you to know everything about them before you get here. One big reason why these cars go so fast up here is because we tell everybody to get online on our website, get pre-approved through the finance companies, and then every Monday when we update, you just call us when you see something that you like, and we can get it for you. A lot of times people have seen so many of these videos, they kind of see what kind of cars, caliber of cars that we buy, and they'll go ahead and just purchase them before the videos. So if you're wondering what's going on, that is what's going on. You can do the same exact thing, and you can still get the video. I do appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button for daily videos and daily cars. Y'all have a good one, guys.